Number 19. The next one is Zap Survey. Companies all over the world need advice, and they will pay you to share your thoughts through easy daily surveys. Download Zap Surveys today and earn $2 on your first survey. This platform has paid out over $51 million to Zap Survey members. New surveys with cash rewards are available every day. Each survey you take rewards you with real cash. Get rewarded once you reach an account balance of $10. They offer multiple cash out options, including gift cards with PayPal, Visa, Amazon, Starbucks, and others. Now listen, to become a Zapper and start earning, all you have to do is answer a few questions about yourself so that you could find the best surveys for you, just like the one that I did here. Share your opinion with daily poll options and continue earning real cash rewards with Zap Surveys. Answering surveys have never been easier. Zap Surveys tell you exactly how much you'll earn, how long a survey will take, and how simple the survey will be for you. This survey app is so good that over 200,000 people rated this 5 out of 5, which is really, really good.